So Randy, as complexity in commercial equipment has increased, it's not the old days like it was when you and I started in our careers and everything was mechanical. How has that contributed to the challenge of keeping track of your fleet maintenance program?
Well, I guess there's just so many more components now, and with more components, more VMRS codes. It's harder to find the VMRS codes for all the electronic components. So making sure that those VMRS components are marked correctly inside a repair order is imperative. And then when it comes to just diagnosing and trying to figure out what the root cause of those problems are, because we actually track root causes as well, it's hard to find a root cause for an electronic component, such as a knock sensor, a depth sensor, a collision avoidance sensor, or control module. Back in the day with all the mechanical components, you could typically find the root cause fairly easy, whether it be the foundation brake system or the mechanical engine or transmission components. You look at that and pretty simply figure out what the root cause of that failure was.
Yeah, back in the mechanical days, if it was broken, it was knocking. So all you had to do was identify where that was coming from and you knew the root cause.
Yeah,
it's certainly not as easy as that.
No.